Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to install these spark plug boot covers. These are titanium sleeve boot covers, and I'm going to show you how to install these on LS platform wire sets. This particular set of wires that I have here is the L1 Max Fire Ultra Spark 50 spark plug wires, and these are 8.5 millimeter spark plug wires. I have done a video previously on these spark plug wires and how I feel about them. So if you want to check that out, make sure you check that video out on my channel as well. But without further ado, let's get into how to install these titanium spark plug wire covers onto your spark plug wire set. So for those of you who have a stock configuration type of a wire without this additional metal sleeve here, the L1 Max Fire series does come with this metal sleeve, which I really like. They provide more protection essentially for the plastic of the spark plug wire at the bottom here. It'll help prolong the life and longevity of this spark plug, especially considering that this is typically located really close to the headers on most LS platforms. So what you want to do here, you're going to take this end, not the end down here. This is going to be the side that's going to go to your coil pack. You're going to take this end here. It's really simple. You're going to push it in through this end of the spark plug wire cover. You don't want to push it in through this end here because this actually has a metal ring around it so that it does not compress. As you see on pressing, this does not compress. On this side it does. It expands, compresses, it moves all around. So what you're going to do, just take this side, insert it just like so, very easy. Push it all the way down. You might have to give it a little force. Push it all the way down until you bottom out where that ring is at, where I explained earlier. So now you can see that the spark plug is all the way up and where it's supposed to be on this particular wire. Now, for those of you who do have this particular series of wire with the cover, or if it's not this wire, maybe you have another brand that also has a cover such as this. No worries, you can still use this spark plug cover as well. You want to make sure that you get one that's going to be big enough, of course. You don't have to get one that's massive and has a gigantic inlet, but traditionally any of these covers that you see that are made for LS engines or the spark plug wires for LS engines should work. So what I'm gonna do here, put this cover back on, slide that back on like so. And this is gonna take a little bit more effort. You're gonna have to play with it a little bit more to get it on. So just kind of put it in like so. It's not too much more effort than it was previously. And then there you go. Now, depending on, like I said, the brand that you get, it may be a little bit tighter, a little bit looser, so on and so forth. So, like I said, it's very easy, very simple. It's already down at the bottom here and installed. So I'm gonna run through and do the rest of these, and I'll show you what they all look like finished. Stay tuned for the time lapse. Just a very short time lapse later, we have a completed spark plug set with the titanium covers. Like I said, it's a very simple and easy process, and I highly recommend this for anyone who is going to be doing any type of racing with your vehicle, especially, or if you drive it even in hot climates. I would definitely recommend using these spark plug covers. Additionally, if you have like a turbo application where your turbo manifolds get really hot, typically that does happen with any turbo application, you're going to definitely want to make sure that you have some type of covers to protect your spark plug wires. If not, these are going to get damaged. You're going to have to replace them more often than you would like to. So definitely make sure that you take advantage of putting these covers over your wires so you can prolong the life of your wires. And you don't want to be stuck on the road one day and damage one of your wires and your engine's running really crappy because you have a damaged wire. You may be 30 miles from the nearest parts store, if not further. So, you know, make sure that you definitely do this and protect your investment on the spark plug wires that you buy. The spark plug wires that I currently have here, the Max Fire Ultra Spark Plug 50 spark plug wires, is what I prefer to use on my Corvette. I have a Pro Charge Corvette that currently makes around 660 wheel horsepower. So I definitely recommend getting these wires. I never had any issues with them. And as far as the covers themselves, I'll put a link in the description for some different covers that you can try out. And I'll also link the wires as well. So if you want to go check those out, you can. If you have any questions about this or any other how-to videos that you would like to see from me on this channel, please let me know, guys. I'll be more than happy to put that information and that video out there for you. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.